Everyone. So today we're going to be talking about one of the most frequently asked questions by our young school students. That do we really need a college degree in today's time to thrive? Today we're going to cover all the points and help you clear this doubt. I would like to, start by saying that it really bothers me when I see young students blindly without research, just believing in the fact that you don't need a college degree at all to succeed. Now, I see a lot of people, even from my industry, guiding students that you don't need a college degree. But I'm sorry, I kind of disagree with that. While I'm totally not against the idea, and there are some careers in which you can do well without a college degree. For example, yes, there are careers like graphic designing, website designing, animation, content writing, maybe culinary skills, and many such other creative fields in which, yes, you can thrive without a college degree as well. But today, still a maximum amount of jobs need you to have a college degree. The careers in which I spoke about the fact that you don't require a college degree, it's not all that simple. When we say you don't need a college degree for some of these careers, what you have to keep in mind is not having a college degree doesn't equate to the fact that you don't need skills. You should only think about skipping this college degree if you feel that you can attain skills through other means. This could be through online courses, by taking any practical internship, or any other way through which you can actually show recruiters that you have the required skills for jobs. So while everybody might not need a college degree, but trust me, maximum of you out there will require it. Now, of course, I see a lot of youngsters telling students that, don't go for college degrees. Now, what they don't tell them is that, yes, a college degree might not be needed, A, for a few recruiters for certain positions. B, specifically, this is very relevant when you want to do freelance work or, be an entrepreneur and start your own thing. But what you have to bear in mind is that that's not everybody's cup of tea. Not everybody has the luxury to just start up a business. It requires certain amount of funds, certain risk. So, you have to bear that in mind that, are you the right candidate to freelance or startup? Are you okay with not having a fixed salary every month? Feel you are one of these candidates who's ready to, take risks, ready to be an entrepreneur, ready to be a freelancer in which certain months you can have a very good income and the other months you might be sitting at a low income. Yes, this option is viable for you. Right, now coming back to the main question is that there are a lot of other jobs. I've been hearing people say often that, many companies like Google, Twitter, and a lot of MNCs have actually scraped their requirements for having a bachelor's degrees. While it might be again true for some position, but if you actually research it, you will see still maximum companies require a bachelor's degree. And for most high level positions, they in fact even require a master's degree. You don't believe me? Check out the next slide. This is just a 1 day old research where I have tried to screenshot the top available jobs on LinkedIn and what qualifications are they demanding. So you will see that most of them either require a bachelor's or a master's degree. So now you see that's an actual proof that, for maximum jobs, you will need a master's or a bachelor's degree. So please do your research before taking this decision. Thank you.